Yep. That's the way the cookie crumbles, so they say. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today I want to talk about my new power drill or wireless drill. So I had a little Ryobi, was it handy line cordless drill, and you'll see somewhere on my channel I assembled a trampoline with it, and it stopped working. And I thought, okay, well, the battery is dead, it's flat. Make a long story short, turned out the battery literally died. So can't do anything with it. A new battery for the whole package is as much as or more than the cordless drill itself. So might as well buy a whole new kit. So I said, you know what? I've been thinking about the Ingco systems for a long time now, and I've seen they a lot in the headlines here in South Africa. You see them everywhere, and they have a good product. And I've been having a look at my brother's system that he has. He has the wireless grinder. He has the impact wrench as well as the impact drill. So I've been envying him for a while now, and when the time came when mine said goodbye, I thought, you know what? Let's dive into that one. So what I just want to say, I might be wrong, but I believe that Ingco is an Indian company. As far as I could work out, I couldn't really find a definite answer to that. But it appears to me like they are an Indian company. All the products are made in China, like everything these days, which doesn't really bother me. Previously, the impact drill that they had on the market in South Africa was a 55 Newton meter, and the 66 Newton meter was launched recently in December 24, I believe, or early January 2025. And there has been the latest model, the 96 Newton meter, was just launched now recently. But I went and had a look at the 66 Newton meter. And guys, when you compare them, if you compare apples with apples, bang for buck, the Ingco system makes a lot of sense. It's a very, very, very high value for money. It's a good quality product. So I just decided, you know what? I'm going to shoot straight for that 66 Newton meter impact drill, because I want to be able to drill into walls and things in the house without having to take the wire to drill out. And now I have that capability, which is nice to have. So I'll have a look at that as well. So guys, let's dive in. I want to show you the drill and accessories close up, and then we'll take it from there. All right, so here's the system. Now guys, before I continue, I just want to say that you get different batteries, you get different chargers and different models here. So with the battery, you'll see here that I went for the 4 amp. You get 1.5 amp, but they are mostly contained within packages. You don't get them loose. You get 2 amp, 4 amp, 5 amp, 6 amp, and 7 amp, I believe. I had a look at a video online, and I found that the 4 amp to me makes the most sense. Value for money, 4 amp is king. So I'd like to get myself another one, but that'll come at the later stage. Then you get different charges as well. Now this is specifically for a 4 amp, so you can charge anything below it with this one, but not anything above it. So you can't buy a 2 amp charger and charge a 4 amp battery with it. You can, but it'll take forever. Here's the drill itself. Okay, so what you'll notice there is it's a 66 Newton meter. It is the one with the impact function, so that's something that you need to look out for. This thing has a whole lot of functions and stuff that we'll go through. So I think let's open the box and then have a look at it. Okay guys, let's have a look at this. So you get a few accessories with it. a few drill bits, and a star and a flat screwdriver head, which is nice. This is very, very nice, guys. You can see here, this is 66 brushless. I'm just gonna rotate it here so that you can have a look at it. Two speeds, high speed, low torque, high torque, low speed as well. There you get drill, screwdriver with clutch function and hammer action. You have an automatic chuck there. You have a nice LED light here at the bottom. Very nice. Very, very nice. Different sides button. Right or left. It's a high quality product, guys. You can see so yourself. This is not a El Cheapo. I have to say, I am very impressed with Ingco products. So let's have a look at the others. Put this there. Let's rip this thing open. Okay. Here's the battery. You can see it's a 4 amp, 20 volt. Oh, it has this function. You can check the battery by just pressing this button. It will show you where the level is. Very nice. Insert and clip. Very nice, guys. Very nice. It is weighty with a 4 amp. That's one thing that you need to consider when you're looking at batteries. A 2 amp is nice and light. I believe a 7 amp, it will be like carrying a motorcycle battery around with you. So it's going to be heavy, but your stamina and your torque is going to be high. Let's have a look at that light. Nice. So you don't even need to just give it a moment to go off. Just trigger it without even turning it on for the light. Okay, let's have a look at the charger. Alright guys, here's the charger. Also has an indicator light there. It shows you there when it's on or flashing, it's charging. When it's solid, it's charged. And then it has a red light as well. So we'll plug it in. Turn this battery around like this. Put it in. And that will be charging well when it's plugged in. Very nice. Complete system. So you can go and buy yourself another battery, another 3 batteries, a wireless grinder, a wireless whatever, a heat gun or whatever, and they will all fit this battery, and they will all be working inside the same system, which is a very, very nice to have system. I have to say, guys, I'm very impressed. I have not used this tool at all. As you can see, I have not drilled one hole. I have not used it at all, but I am very excited to do so. I have used my brother's, which is an older one than this. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. If you look at the online videos and the reviews of these, people love them. They really do. So guys, that's just my unboxing of these. I did not find a lot of them in English on the interwebs. So I thought let me assist those who wants to buy and have a closer look at these. Guys, that's really, really nice. It's a real nice tool. It's really, really nice. I cannot wait to use it. But I will, and it will be used. I promise you. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you for having a look at this video. As I said, I'm very excited to be using my new tools. They are quite inexpensive. Look out for package deals at various tool shops and so forth. And then until the next video, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.